Powder air feed valve bag packaging machine. Technical parameters. 1. Applicable materials, various powders. 2. Feeding method, air delivery. 3. Weighing range, 5 to 50 kilograms. 4. Packaging speed, 4 to 7 bags/minute. 5. Measuring accuracy, plus or minus 0.2% to 0.4%, related to material uniformity and packaging speed. 6. Instrument gas, air pressure, 0.5-0.7 MPa gas consumption, 0.2 cubic meters per minute. 7. Process gas, air pressure, 0.05-0.07 MPa. Gas consumption, 3-4 m3/min. 8. Dust removal gas, air pressure, minus 200 pascals, air volume, 15-20 m3/min. 9. Power supply, AC 380V, 50 Hz, 0, 5 kilowatts. 10. Dimensions, length 1550, width 1170, height 2600, reference dimensions, unit, mm. Product features. The material enters the seal bin on the packaging machine and is transported to the packaging bag through intelligently controlled air pressure. Compared with other models, it has the characteristics of high packaging speed and high stability. It has been successfully applied in domestic carbon black, building materials, and other industries for a long time. How to use. When the operator puts on the packaging bag, the switch is triggered by the way. The packaging machine starts to automatically and quickly add materials and automatically slows down during the packaging process. When the weight reaches the set value, the packaging is automatically ended and the sealed silo is replenished. After that, the operator can carry out the next bagging packaging. Expandability. 1. When used with a belt conveyor, an automatic bag unloading mechanism can be optionally installed. At the end of each automatic packaging, the bag unloading mechanism automatically unloads the packaged bags onto the belt conveyor, effectively reducing